All right, so we are so excited for you guys. What the structure is that we want you guys to follow, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. So we want you to incorporate and learn as much as you possibly can in the next 30 days so you can incorporate this into your life and feel the best that you really possibly can. And we want to hear all about your awesome results and maximum benefits that you're getting from this detox plan. I think we should just get going, get that food shopping list, go get to the supermarket right now, and let's just start day one, baby. It's here. You're awesome. You had a choice to do this. It's not something you had to do, but you knew that the time is now, and you know you want to feel the best you've ever had now. So we commend you, and we think you're awesome for taking this challenge on, and we can't wait to hear about it.